Just released is the Phantom 4 RTK. Building on the excellent Phantom 4 platform, the new system brings RTK, real-time kinematics, to the consumer drone for the first time. DJI's new time sync system continually aligns the flight controller, camera and RTK module. It also records calibration parameters for the lens, together with the drone's position and altitude in the metadata of each photograph. The camera trigger point and GNSS position are internally synchronized within the drone, allowing accurate image positioning. With the standard Phantom 4 and other drones, ground control points need to be set up around the area to be recorded, and then these needed to be surveyed in using a commercial GPS system in order to get centimetre accuracy of the digital elevation model or orthophoto produced. The Phantom 4 RTK can do away with this, as the RTK module in the drone can provide the centimetre accurate GNSS data. The GS RTK flight planning app on the built-in screen of the Phantom 4 RTK controller collects RTK differential data using either a N-trip account via a 4K dongle or a Wi-Fi hotspot, or a DRTK2 mobile station. The position data can also be post-processed after the flight using PPK, post-processed kinematics, as the drone stores synchronized GNSS position data and camera trigger time on the microSD card. Correction data can be downloaded from the Ordnance Survey in the UK and used to process the raw satellite position data for each photograph. The Phantom 4 RTK is priced at €5,700, approximately £5,000, while the DRTK2 mobile station is priced at €3,600, approximately £3,150. A package price for the two systems is priced at €7,800, approximately £6,850. Shipping of the drone starts this month, while the DRTK2 mobile station ships in November. If you liked this video and would like similar content, please like and subscribe.